Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, welcome. In today's video, we are taking you guys to Heidelberg's Christmas market. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We've literally tried to go to Heidelberg 3 times. So this is our final chance. They are going to be closing all the Christmas markets, at least in our area, because of, you know, the world we live in right now. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Make sure to let them know it's 32 out there.
I did try to go right when they first opened up, but Leo didn't really want to go, and it was like warm. It was like 40 something degrees. But yeah. But we're gonna get some Glühwein, we're gonna try the Kinder Punch, we're gonna get some Bratwurst, and I don't know, a lot of other food and stuff. So. Hey guys, so we made it finally. It's busy and packed. But we'll see what we can get into.
How is it, Coach? Better than the last one?
It's just hot. You guys see it? Yira! Hi!
Oh! Vera is drinking her first Glühwein.
Her Kinder Glühwein. Kinder Glühwein. Is it good?
She's already drunky pants. Oh,
just need to really make sure Say thank you.
It's a banana, bud.
It's a banana and chocolate.
Chocolate.
Alright guys, we're hanging out on the table. This banana and chocolate is pretty good. We have some Daddy's getting me some more Glühwein.
English is perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a German Christmas market. We are here in Heidelberg. Bye Vera! Bye Leo! I will see you guys in our next video. Bye!